Welcome to the Divorcierge Divorce Tip of the Week. This week I'm going to try to address some of the reasons that people may make a decision to decide to get divorced. I often get asked, should I or shouldn't I? I don't know. It's such a big decision. And it is a big decision, and there may be no easy answer. The only time there's a pretty clear-cut answer is if there is domestic or emotional abuse, any violence. In that situation, you really do want to try to seek some help to end your relationship. But when it's not so clear-cut, what if you're just fighting all the time, constantly fighting? Or the opposite, you don't communicate, you don't speak, you live separate lives, you're practically roommates, you do things around the children maybe, but as far as anything else goes, you have your path and your partner has their path. What about no intimacy? You just don't get together anymore, and that just has completely, died in your marriage. What about if you'd rather just be anywhere but home in your house? So if you're feeling any of these emotions, the first thing I would say is try to work it out. Try to go see a marriage counselor and see if there are ways to get through some of these issues, to learn to communicate better so that you can move forward with your relationship. But if you've tried that and you just see that there really is no hope for your relationship to continue and you would like to separate or divorce, I would encourage you to first go out and get the information. Understand what the process is like. It's not what it's like in the movies, but it's certainly not necessarily an easy process. Educate yourself, do some research, talk to a divorce coach such as myself, talk to an attorney to understand the legal ramifications, figure out your financial situation, start to think about what would the process entail and what would it really feel like. Visualize yourself in this new life without your partner and think about what it would really feel like. It's not an easy decision, it's not a quick decision, it's a very, very big decision. And make sure you have all the information and that the reasons that you want to leave your relationship are solid. If you want someone to talk about or bounce some ideas off of, please schedule a free consultation at my website, thedivorcierge.com.